Hi guys, welcome back to Running a Freelance Design Business. My name is Ben Gribbin and this is lesson 14, services that you'll offer. In this lesson we are going to consider what actual services you will be able to offer to your client. So, design, is that correct? Well, no, you've got things like web design, print design, information design, flyer design. Which are you going to offer? And also what other services will you be able to offer to your clients to monetize and automate some of your business? Specialization is a good idea because it helps you earn a good name and it also shows that you have got a skill in a certain area rather than being jack of all trades, master of none. So have some sort of focus that you want to specialize in particular. The client wants to know that you are the best at what you do, and that's ideal if you're only good or you're excellent in one or two areas. So for example, let's say you're a print designer, flyers, cards, business cards, stationery, all that kind of stuff, that would be one area. Whereas if you were a print designer and a web designer, well, it's a totally different thing. You might need different expertise, you'll be running different software, different skills are required, so it's a totally different thing. So try and specialize in one area rather than doing everything you possibly can. Now, some people are good at one or two, whereas few people are very good at just one or great at just one. So work on being excellent in one or two areas. Maybe complementary areas such as design. You can be a print designer and design websites, but the actual building part, not so much. To make money out of the clients though, to actually monetize, well, you've got things like being able to offer out services. So that's your actual design services. You need to work out what your specialist area is. But how can you actually make money out of clients as well as your design work? Well, you can actually start doing things like hosting, website hosting. You could do perhaps general internet consulting. Everybody's a social media user nowadays. Maybe you can look into that and become a consultant for that. You could just do generally technical work for helping them fix computers, offering them advice. Value adding services, you could think about those that make your service more attractive than your competition. Perhaps you could somehow help your clients save time or money. Perhaps you can help them manage their websites or update their blogs. Those little things are the little extra touches and they also increase your profits. Some choose to try and productize their design work. Now, what does that mean? Well, they try and create a package that they then sell. Maybe they've got pre-laid out elements. They have a kind of service list and pricing, maybe a monthly rate or retainer. Would that work for you? Well, have a think about it. Consider the costs and pitfalls ahead of time, especially with that kind of pre-packaged service. Because if your client wants numerous changes, then that's going to cause you an issue for your service and mean that you then lose out money. So we've talked about services in this lesson. We've considered why you should perhaps specialize in one or two areas, but we've also looked at value adding services and other avenues you could explore, such as productizing your design work. Your task for the lesson is to consider what design you want to specialize in, do some research into what is your strong suit, and also what other services can you offer along with that to complement it and to be able to offer a great overall service to your client. Next time on Running a Freelance Design Business, we'll be looking at making a name for yourself. Thanks for watching.